Hey, what's going on again, guys? Welcome again to my channel, and this is another video. And on this video I wanted to show you just a simple way how you can install WordPress to your cPanel. So I've been advising people, if you are developing any website using WordPress, it's a good idea to develop it while it is hosted, so you can have a chance to update the plugins and other things, because developing the site on localhost using WordPress, I've been trying it, it's very difficult. I don't know, maybe some people may develop it, but for me I like it to develop it using the live server. I mean, it should be hosted online. So I'm going to show you a very simple way how you can how you can install WordPress on your cPanel and start developing your website. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your cPanel account. I've already logged in my cPanel account, and search for WordPress, or yes, go to the software section and software cores app installer. Click here, and then choose WordPress. Install WordPress. You can see here you can install Joomla, Cut, and other softwares, but you're going to install WordPress. Okay, so come here and click install. Then you have to choose where are you going to install this WordPress. So I'm not going to install on my main domain, I'm going to install on here, web.co.cipher.co.tz, and I'm not going to install it in a directory, so I'm going to delete this one here, and this I'm going to leave it at version 5.8. so my blog, you can choose a username. I'm going to leave it as admin, and the password I'm going to leave it as pass, but I advise you, if you are making serious development, you should put a very strong password. Okay, and email, you can write any admin email to your WordPress login credentials, so it's good. And all the other things you can leave them where they are. So far this is good. Okay, let's click. Let's make sure it's the same domain. Yes, of course. Let's click install. Okay, it is installing. Good. So when the installation is complete, this is the website URL, and this is the admin URL. So if you want to log in directly to WordPress, you go to this, and then you type the domain name and you type WP admin. So guys, when you click the admin URL, and this is what you're going to see. This is the dashboard for WordPress. These are posts, media, pages, comments, appearance. So if you want to install a theme, just go here and install the theme, plugins, users. So as you can see, the interface is so cool, and you can do anything with this interface. So the next video I will show you how we can upload our theme to WordPress, but for this time let us just look how our website. So if you have installed proper WordPress, this is the site is going to show, and the site is so good. So far so good. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you understood how to install WordPress to cPanel. So if you are interested in this kind of video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you soon, and see you on another video. Goodbye.